Imagine this. You take your car to the mechanic because a strange warning light popped up on your dashboard. They frown, shake their head, and after a few hours, they hand you a bill that makes your stomach drop. Hundreds of dollars gone in a single visit. You pay because what else can you do? But here's the disturbing truth. In many cases, the problem wasn't a problem at all. It was just your car's computer glitching. Something that could have been fixed in seconds, without spending a single dime. Mechanics know this, but they'll never tell you. Why? Because every unnecessary repair is profit in their pocket and money out of yours. The trick I'm about to show you is so simple, so effective, that it quietly solves nearly 90% of those mysterious car issues. The scary part? Most drivers have no idea it exists, and they keep throwing away money they could have saved. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the reset trick mechanics don't want you to know. And once you learn it, you'll never look at your car the same way again. The big promise. Now let me be clear. This isn't some internet hack that might or might not work. This is a real method that even professional mechanics know about, but they'll never point it out because it doesn't make them a single dollar. Think about that. A tool sitting right in your hands, completely free. That could save you from expensive repair bills over and over again. This reset trick doesn't just clear annoying warning lights. It can also stop you from being misled into paying for repairs you never needed in the first place. And the best part? It works on most modern cars, no matter the brand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it and why mechanics would rather you stayed in the dark. The setup. Why mechanics won't tell you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Mechanics make their living by charging for fixes, whether the issue is big or just looks big. When a warning light flashes or your car suddenly feels off, most drivers panic. They imagine broken engines, faulty transmissions, or costly parts that must be replaced immediately. But what they don't realize is that modern cars run on computers, and those computers glitch. A simple sensor hiccup, a temporary misread, or a minor system bug can trigger the same check engine light that a serious failure would. And once that light shows up, you're already on edge. You drive to the shop, they plug in a scanner, and suddenly you're being quoted hundreds of dollars for diagnostics or repairs you might not even need. Here's the suspenseful part. Studies show that nearly 90% of those warning lights aren't pointing to catastrophic damage at all. They're just your car's software crying wolf. But unless you know the reset trick, you'll never know the difference. And you'll keep paying for problems that don't even exist. The reset trick revealed, you've probably done it before, without realizing how powerful it really is. The trick mechanics don't want you to know is hidden in plain sight. It's a simple reset of your car's brain, the ECU, or engine control unit. And once you understand how to do it, you'll see why it fixes so many problems instantly. Here's how it works. Step 1. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Don't worry, it's just a single clamp, nothing complicated. Once it's off, wait at least 10 minutes. Step 2. Press and hold the brake pedal for a few seconds. This drains out any remaining electricity in the system, making sure the car's computer fully powers down. Step 3. Reconnect the battery, tighten the clamp, and start your car. What you've just done is force the ECU to completely reboot, clearing out temporary glitches, false sensor readings, and random dashboard warnings. Think of it like restarting your smartphone after it's been acting up. Except here, it could save you hundreds. Take the story of John, a driver from Texas. His check engine light came on, and his mechanic quoted him nearly $500 for a diagnostic and sensor replacement. Instead of paying, he tried this reset at home. 10 minutes later, the light disappeared, the car ran smoothly, and he saved every penny of that $500. That's why mechanics hate this trick, because every time you use it, you're keeping money in your pocket instead of theirs. Real-life scenarios. So when exactly does this reset save the day? Let's go through some of the most common situations. First, the dreaded check engine light. More often than not, it's triggered by something as small as a sensor misreading. Instead of panicking, doing the reset often clears the false alert instantly. Second, rough idling or stalling after routine maintenance. Maybe you just changed the spark plugs or replaced the air filter. Sometimes the car's computer doesn't adapt right away and it makes the engine act up. A quick reset forces it to relearn everything from scratch, smoothing out those problems. Third, random dashboard lights after a battery change. Ever notice how suddenly half your dashboard starts glowing after you swap a battery? It's not a sign of disaster, it's your ECU needing a fresh start. Resetting it usually wipes those lights clean. Now compare this to what a mechanic does. They'll charge you a diagnosis fee, sometimes $100 or more, just to run a quick scan. If you're lucky, they'll admit it's minor. If not, they'll suggest replacing parts you didn't need in the first place. But with this reset trick, you can test it yourself for free. And if saving hundreds of dollars sounds good, make sure you hit subscribe, because I share more tricks that mechanics will never tell you. What this reset can't fix. Now let's be completely honest. This reset trick isn't a magic wand. If your car has a real mechanical issue, like a failing transmission, a dead alternator, or a broken fuel pump, no reset in the world will fix it. And you need to know that, because believing otherwise could leave you stranded. What this trick does is give you clarity. It helps separate a harmless computer glitch from a serious mechanical problem. If the warning light disappears after the reset and doesn't come back, you're good. It was just the system acting up. But if the light returns, that's your car telling you something is truly wrong, and it's time to get it checked properly. That's the real power here. You get to test the situation yourself before handing over your wallet at the mechanic's shop. And that kind of control not only saves money, it gives you peace of mind, knowing exactly what you're dealing with. Hidden advantage, peace of mind. Think about the last time a warning light popped up on your dashboard. For most people, the first reaction is panic. Visions of huge repair bills and days without a car. But now, with this reset trick, you're in control. Instead of feeling helpless, you can calmly test whether the issue is just a glitch or something more serious. That shift from fear to confidence is priceless. You're no longer at the mercy of whatever a mechanic tells you. You have the power to clear the noise, check the car yourself, and make smarter decisions. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever been shocked by a repair bill that turned out to be way smaller than what the mechanic first claimed? Drop your story in the comments. I read them all, and I know others will relate. Think back to that opening scenario. Walking into a mechanic's shop, only to hand over hundreds of dollars for something you could have fixed yourself in minutes. It happens every single day, and drivers lose billions each year to problems that aren't really problems at all. But now, you're not one of them. You know the reset trick that quietly fixes 90% of those false alarms without spending a dime. It's simple, it's fast, and it puts you back in control of your car instead of your wallet. So the next time a light pops up on your dashboard, remember this. Sometimes the best fix isn't in the mechanic's garage. It's in your own driveway. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, because I've got even more insider tricks coming up, like the hidden button in your car that mechanics will never mention. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.